IFM News. Lokal.
Inpakamu ni Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative General Manager Perry Martinez ang manamnama iti panangato ti presyo ti kuryente dito'y probinsya. Kagiddan ti mapaspasamak arin nupak sa Jaime, Middle East. Daytoy ti balag ni Martinez kabayatan ti preskon na akadagiti member consumer owner a posible nga agbalin a double digit ti presyo ti kuryente. Inbatad pa ito opisyal abasar iti February 2026 rate a 9.9522 per kilowatt hour ket ngumato iti agarup 11.2958 per kilowatt hour. Kunapay na Martinez ngay karigatan da ang makontrol ken mamitigate iti panagnato ti presyo ti kuryente. Kastamet ngay nalukoy na digiti MCO iti panaginot iti panagusar ti kuryente.
As of yesterday, March 3, 2026, as a consequence of the ongoing US-Israel versus Iran war, fuel costs have increased from $100 per barrel to $138 per metric ton, or totaling to about $38 increase per metric ton of fuel as of today, negatively affecting the fuel cost component of energy supply purchases. Upon simulation of this $38 US dollar increase in fuel costs, it equates to an additional 1.3436 per kilowatt hour increase in our electricity rates. Using our February 2026 rate of 9.9522 per kilowatt hour, the increase will go up to about 11.2958. Due to the continuing tensions between the Middle East, it is to be expected that fuel costs shall continue to rise in the coming weeks or months. Should this crisis carry on, we warn our member consumer owners of an expected surge to double digits of our electricity prices starting in your March billing. We should start at around March 8, March 9, no? When we start our billing cycle. We shall try, of course, our best efforts to control, to mitigate the increases. No? However, parallel to this, we request our MCOs for your cooperation and indulgence, and urge MCOs to implement energy-saving schemes and devices to manage their consumptions.
Daytoy ti damag manipod syudad Tilawag. Para ti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, Tatak, IFM.